Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Do a video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, year model 2022. Name on it's Lucky One. Coming around the transom here, you can see twin 300 Mercury V8 Verados. Got blue underwater lights here. Got engine flush that was added after the fact. And also shore power hookup. Stepping on board, I've got the dive ladder open, easy boarding. The ladder is stored underneath the lounge seat here, so you've got storage either in the front or the back on this one. And obviously with the handle, this flips and makes a huge lounge. If you open this compartment here, you've got your vacuum flush head system that is macerated for overboard discharge. You've got your shore power hookups over there. Walking up to the bow, upholstery is in great shape. You can see the snaps for the mooring cover that goes up here, and there's also a mooring cover that goes to the back. You got a couple of rod holders. This boat is equipped with anchor windlass as well as the beach boarding ladder, which is a really nice feature. So you can pull up to the sandbar or the beach and get off the bow of the boat. Continuing through, full canvas enclosures. Let me stop right here and just show you the Marine dome radar, as well as the remote control go lights, remote spotlight, and the FLIR thermal imaging camera for night operation. But it also has the bow sunshade, so you can see it fixes there. You slide the poles into the forward rod holders here, and you got sunshade up here. Good heavy duty hardware. Powder coating's in good shape. Stainless hinges show well. Bolster seat over here with the summer kitchen, so you've got refrigerator and grill. Aft seat here with storage below. Flip down bench seat in the back, and then access down to your bilges through that hatch. Fish boxes on either side that are both macerated. Got live well over here in the corner. There's the front shot of those motors. Roughly 115 hours on them. Boat does have saltwater washdown and freshwater washdown. Very clean, well cared for. Boat's kept about 20 miles up the Cape Fear River. My office is right here on the coast, so we can't call it a freshwater boat, but it does spend the majority of its life up on the freshwater part of the Cape Fear. Good clean boat. Does have the bow table as well that's stored in the console under the helm, as well as a filler cushion to turn that area into a sun pad. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, give me a shout on my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. And I'm going to finish out here at the helm. I've got a joystick here that has your skyhook, your autopilot, all built into it. Come over here, I'm going to show you the hours on the 4-inch Mercury vessel view, 114 hours, Fusion stereo. And then over here you've got your sounder, chart plotter, all in one unit. Looks like about a 12-inch display there. Anyway, very nice clean boat, nice options. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video.